on. Guys, come on. Oh, guys, chill. Walk. You walk. Whoa, a path. I can go there.
No, don't go there.
This is beautiful.
Come on, Lucas. Come here. Let's take a walk along the path. Come on.
Let's go get fish. We're at the water. But they don't want they dinosaurs.
Yeah. Look how beautiful it is.
The bugs don't want they dinosaurs. Bugs, we don't want.
Yeah.
Baba, let's go to the playground.
Oh, that the bridge.
No, come on. Let's go walk. Let's walk. Let's walk.
The bridge reaching my
This is relaxing, actually, man.
Yeah.
This is very relaxing.
I know.
Let's go there.
Look at the water stream.
Guys,
Go.
come on. What does it say?
No swimming.
Important. Going
Yeah,
for
don't
beach.
swim in there.
It's calling for peace water.
We want to walk to the big waterfall.
Yeah.
You guys want to walk the bridge and go that way?
Yeah. Mom! Mom's gone. Let's go to a bridge. Guys, let her eat, okay? Let her eat.
Lucas, this way. Come on, this way.
She hasn't eaten yet. So let her eat. Papa, what if one uses it?
Huh?
Papa, after when you go to the one there.
Yeah, yeah.
But don't go too fast, okay?
Come this way, guys. Come on. Underneath the bridge.
What? We're going underneath a bridge.
Yeah, I want to do a whole full video. Grab everything.
My
Don't fall in the water.
Yeah, don't fall in the water. Oh. Okay, let's look around.
Yep. Everything still looks the same. Huh? Yeah,
Oh,
it hasn't changed. It hasn't changed much. Come on, guys.
Oh, water mountain!
Yeah.
What's a water mountain? No. Oh!
Come here, Lucas. Nah, get off the edge. Get off the edge. Don't do that.
Look, no, you're falling and you don't know how to do water cannon.
Yeah.
Why does this feel
Guys, stand right here for a picture.
Wow.
Guys, stand right here.
I can stand right here.
Come on, come on.
Whoa, guys, don't fall. I'm going to go like this.
Guys, you stand right there. Go on, guys, line up. They're straight. Straight. Looking at me. Come here. Ready? Right here. 1, 2, 3. Cheese. Good job.
Let's explore the bridge.
Let's walk this way.
And now we can... Oh! Stop it, go!
Look at the sidewalk right here, Papa.
I see. Don't walk. Hey, be careful. Don't fall, okay?
This is from...
What if a big time?
Do you smell that?
Wait, look,
Yeah.
the water got on me.
Your water's getting on me.
I think it's the wet person. Oh my god, water's getting on me. Ah! How is it like that? This is beautiful.
Yeah.
Can they be wet? Oh, look at it. Ah!
It feels so refreshing, yeah?
Water's getting on me.
Yeah, I don't think we don't need to get on the bridge because we already see everything.
Oh, this smells so good. Oh, that smell.
No waiting.
No diving and
He could trap a person and drown them.
Yeah.
You don't want that. Yeah, you don't want that.
Where's the duckies, bro?
Come on, guys. Let's go back.